Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Surya. మీరు చూస్తున్నారు భవానీ ట్యుటోరియల్స్ అండ్ ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ ఛానల్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఇప్పటి వరకు పార్ట్ బి కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని వీడియోస్ లో కవర్ చేశాను. అండ్ ఈ రోజు వచ్చేసి కంప్యూటర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ పైన మాక్ టెస్ట్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా ఫ్రెండ్స్. కాన్సెప్ట్స్ వచ్చేసి డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్, డేటాబేస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ సిస్టమ్స్, ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్, కంప్యూటర్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, కంప్యూటర్ నెట్వర్క్స్ అండ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇలానే ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ పైన కూడా మాక్ టెస్ట్స్ అనేవి కండక్ట్ చేస్తాను. అండ్ నేను క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ కి మధ్య 5 సెకండ్స్ గ్యాప్ అనేది ఇస్తాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఆ 5 సెకండ్స్ లో ఆన్సర్ ఏంటన్నది మీరు గెస్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. దాంతో మీకు ఎన్ని మార్క్స్ అనేవి స్కోర్ అవుతాయి ఎగ్జామ్ లో మీకు ఒక ఐడియా వస్తుంది. సో క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేసేద్దాం. మన ఫస్ట్ బిట్, విచ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బెస్ట్ డిస్క్రైబ్స్ an array? Option A, a data structure that shows an hierarchical behavior. Option B, containers of objects of similar types. Option C, arrays are immutable once initialized. Option D, array is not a data structure. Friends, 5 seconds gap istanu. Answer guess cheyadaniki try cheyandi. Tarvata nenu answer అనేది చెప్తాను. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ బి, container of objects of similar types. Second bit, process of inserting an element in stack is called dash. Option A, create. Option B, push. Option C, evolution. Option D, pop. Answer guess cheyandi friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, push. Third bit, a queue follows dash. Option A, FIFO, first in first out principle. Option B, LIFO, last in first out principle. Option C, ordered array. Option D, linear tree. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, FIFO, first in first out principle. Fourth bit, in linear collection of data, elements where the linear node is given by means of pointer is called. Option A, linked list. Option B, node list. Option C, primitive list. Option D, unordered list. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, linear list. Fifth bit, linked list is considered as an example of dash type of memory allocation. Option A, dynamic. Option B, static. Option C, compile time. Option D, heap. Guess cheyandi friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, dynamic. Sixth bit, what is the worst case time complexity of inserting a node in a double linked list? Option A, order of n log n. Option B, order of log n. Option C, order of n. Option D, order of 1. Guess cheyandi friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, order of n. Seventh bit, identify the infix expression from the list of options given below. ఈ కింది ఇచ్చిన ఆప్షన్స్ లో ఇన్ఫిక్స్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఏంటనేది గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A by B plus C minus D. Eighth bit, while evaluating a prefix expression, the string is read from option A, left to right. Option B, right to left. Option C, center to right. Option D, center to left to right. Guess cheyandi friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, right to left. Ninth bit, what is a full binary tree? Option A, each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. Option B, each node has exactly 2 children. Option C, all the leaves are at the same level. Option D, each node has exactly 1 or 2 children. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి Option A, each node has exactly 0 or 2 children. 10th bit. A relational database consists of a collection of option A, tables, option B, fields, option C, records, option D, keys. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, tables. 11th bit. Which one of the following attribute can be taken as a primary key? Option A, name, option B, street, option C, ID, option D, department. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, ID. 12th bit. Which one of the following is a procedural language? Procedural language. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, domain relational calculus, option B, tuple relational calculus, option C, relational algebra, option D, query language. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, relational algebra. 13th bit. To remove a relation from an SQL database, we use the dash command. Option A, delete, option B, purge, option C, remove, option D, drop table. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, drop table. 14th bit. In SQL, the space at the end of the string are removed by dash function. Option A, upper, option B, string, option C, trim, option D, lower. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, trim. 15th bit. The union operation is represented by, guess cheyandi friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option B. 16th bit. The primary key must be option A, unique, option B, not null, option C, both unique and not null, option D, either unique or not null. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, both unique and not null. 17th bit. How many tables may be included with a join? Option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 3, option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 18th bit. A dash consists of a sequence of queue and or update statements. Option A, transaction, option B, commit, option C, rollback, option D, flashback. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, transaction. 19th bit. What is operating system? Option A, collection of programs that manage hardware resources. Option B, system service provider to the application programs. Option C, link to interface the hardware and application programs. Option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 20th bit. Which one of the following error will be handled by the operating system? Option A, power failure, option B, lack of paper in printer, option C, connection failure in the network, option D, all of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option D, all of the mentioned. 21 bit. In Unix, which system call creates the new process? Option A, fork. Option B, create. Option C, new. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, fork. 22nd bit. What is interprocess communication? Option A, communication within the process. Option B, communication between two process. Option C, communication between two threads of same process. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, communication between two process. 23rd bit. A set of processes is deadlock if dash. Option A, each process is blocked and will remain so forever. Option B, each process is terminated. Option C, all processes are trying to kill each other. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, each process is blocked and will remain so forever. 24th bit. The number of processes completed per unit time is known as dash. Option A, output. Option B, throughput. Option C, efficiency. Option D, capacity. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, throughput. 25th bit. Which one of the following is a synchronization tool? Option A, thread. Option B, pipe. Option C, semaphore. Option D, socket. Answer guess friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, semaphore. 26th bit. Process synchronization can be done on dash. Option A, hardware level. Option B, software level. Option C, both hardware and software level. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, both hardware and software level. 27th bit. In Unix, each process is identified by its dash. Option A, process control block. Option B, device queue. Option C, process identifier. Option D, none of the mentioned. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, process identifier. 28th bit. A source program is usually in dash. Option A, assembly language. Option B, machine level language. Option C, high level language. Option D, natural language. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option C, high level language. 29th bit. MFC stands for dash. Option A, memory format caches. Option B, memory function complete. Option C, memory find command. Option D, mass format command. Answer guess friends. Answer వచ్చేసి memory function complete. 30th bit. ISP stands for dash. Option A, instruction set processor. Option B, information standard processing. Option C, interchange standard protocol. Option D, interrupt service produced. Answer guess friends. Answer వచ్చేసి instruction set processor. 31st bit. ANSI stands for dash. Option A, American National Standards Institute. Option B, American National Standard Interface. Option C, American Network Standard Interfacing. Option D, American Network Security Interrupt. Answer guess friends. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ అమెరికన్ నేషనల్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్. 32nd bit. The ultimate goal of a compiler is to dash. Option A, reduce the clock cycles for a programming task. Option B, reduce the size of the object code. Option C, be versatile. Option D, be able to detect even the smallest of errors. Answer question, friends. Answer just say option A, reduce the clock cycles of a programming task. 33rd bit. The addressing mode where you directly specify the operand value is dash. Option A, immediate. Option B, direct. Option C, definite. Option D, relative. Answer guess chain, friends. Answer just say option A, immediate. 34th bit. The smallest entity of memory is called dash. Option A, cell. Option B, block. Option C, instance. Option D, unit. Answer guess chain, friends. Answer just say option A, cell. 35th bit. If a system is 64-bit machine, then the length of each word will be dash. Option A, 4 bytes. Option B, 8 bytes. Option C, 16 bytes. Option D, 12 bytes. Answer guess chain, friends. Answer just say option B, 8 bytes. 36th bit. RTN stands for dash. Option A, register transfer notation. Option B, register transmission notation. Option C, regular transmission notation. Option D, regular transfer notation. Answer question, friends. Answer just say option A, register transfer notation. 37th bit. The structure or format of data is called dash. Option A, syntax. Option B, semantics. Option C, struct. Option D, formatting. Answer question, friends. Answer just say option A, syntax. 38th bit. 3 or more devices share a link in dash connection. Option A, unipoint. Option B, multi-point. Option C, point to point. Option D, simplex. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option B, multi-point. 39th bit. Bluetooth is an example of dash. Option A, personal area network. Option B, local area network. Option C, virtual private network. Option D, wide area network. Answer guess chain, friends. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, personal area network. 40th bit. Application layer is implemented in dash. Option A, end system. Option B, NIC. Option C, Ethernet. Option D, packet transport. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer వచ్చేసి option A, end system. 41st bit. OSI stands for dash. Option A, open system interconnection. Option B, operating system interface. Option C, optical service implementation. Option D, open service internet. Answer guess chain, friends. Answer just say option A, open system interconnection. 42nd bit. The physical layer is concentrated with dash. Option A, bit by bit delivery. Option B, process to process delivery. Option C, application to application delivery. Option D, port to port delivery. Answer guess cheyandi. Answer just say option A, bit by bit delivery. 43rd bit. The physical layer is responsible for dash. Option A, line coding. Option B, channel coding. ఆప్షన్ సి మాడ్యులేషన్, ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ద మెన్షన్డ్. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ద మెన్షన్డ్. 44th bit. CRC stands for dash. Option A cyclic redundance check. Option B code repeat check. Option C code redundance check. Option C cyclic repeat check. Answer వచ్చేసి option A cyclic redundance check. 45th bit. All keywords in C are in dash. Option A lowercase letters. Option B uppercase letters. Option C camel case letters. Option D none of the mentioned. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ లోవర్ కేస్ లెటర్స్. 46th bit. Which of the following cannot be a variable name in C? Option A volatile. Option B true. Option C friend. Option D export. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ ఏ volatile. 47th bit. The format identifier %d is also used for dash data type. Option A char. Option B int. Option C float. Option D double. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ B int. 48th bit. What is the size of an int data type? Option A 4 bytes. Option B 8 bytes. Option C depends on the system compiler. Option D cannot be determined. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ C depends on the system compiler. 49th bit. Enum types are processed by dash. Option A compiler. Option B preprocessor. Option C linker. Option D assembler. Answer guess చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ A compiler. 50th bit. Which of the following is not an arithmetic operation? Option A into 10. Option B A by 10. Option C A not equal to 10. Option D A percentage 10. ఆన్సర్ గెస్ చేయండి. ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ సి A not equal to 10. ఫ్రెండ్స్ నా వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ అలానే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.